back, beautiful family. I want to show you how to make fresas con crema y gelatina that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this amazing dessert. These are the ingredients. I have strawberry jello, evaporated milk, condensed milk, heavy whipping cream that is in the refrigerator, strawberries, strawberry extract, and sour cream. This is everything we need, so let's get started. Of course, I want to start first making the jello. I have 3 packages of the Jello, strawberry jello. And I'm going to add 3 cups of boiling water to each bag. Once I have all the 9 cups of water and the 3 packages of strawberry jello, and they come to room temperature, I'm going to put them in this mold. I'm going to put saran wrap on the top, and I'm going to take it to the refrigerator. I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, or if you could leave it overnight, even better. This jello is going to come out nice and firm, and that's exactly how you want it. Make sure that you cover it with saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator. Here, I'm going to start making the mixture of the cream and milks. I'm going to start by adding the sour cream. I have 1 cup of sour cream. To this, I'm going to add 1 can of condensed milk. Yes, it seems like it's a lot of condensed milk, but to tell you the truth, it's not going to come out extra sweet. It's going to have the perfect sweetness. Once you incorporate the condensed milk, you're going to add the evaporated milk. Incorporate it good, and then you're ready to add the heavy whipping cream. I'm adding 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and of course, 1 teaspoon of strawberry color and flavor extract. And you could find that at Amazon. Here, I'm going to incorporate it really good. The aroma of the extract, just amazing. It's so penetrated, and the color, amazing. Once you incorporated the extract, taste it. It just tastes amazing. Now I am ready to continue with the jello. Now it's nice and firm. I left it overnight, and now I am ready to start cutting, slicing away little cubes. This is the best part, slicing your jello. You decide how thick you want your jello pieces or how thin you want them. You decide. But let me show you the way I like to make my jello. I like to cube it in medium pieces. This is too large for my tasting, so I'm going to cut it in half. And that's exactly what I'm going to do with the rest of the jello. This is going to take time, but let me tell you, they're bite pieces. And here I have the strawberries. I'm using 3 cups of strawberries, and I'm removing the stem. I'm going to rinse them really good through running water, and now I am ready to start cubing the strawberry. Leave some behind for the decoration. But here, this is how I'm going to slice and cube my strawberries. Let me tell you, if you really love fresas con crema and you got up to this part of the video, you like this recipe, I invite you to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing and you don't miss out on my amazing recipes. I am making this strawberry dessert because my mother loves this dessert. Fresas con crema. She used to make it for us when I was small, and now I decided to make it for Mother's Day. Yes, I want my mom to enjoy this delicious, easy, but made with lots of love, this fresas con crema and Jell-O. While all the ingredients are here, it's very easy to prepare, and it's a perfect dessert for Mother's Day. Here, I'm going to start adding the strawberries. First, the Jell-O. I'm going to add the Jell-O first. You could really see that the mixture is really creamy. The flavor, I know, it's just amazing. Once you add your Jell-O, just incorporate it. Make sure that everything is nice and coated with all that amazing mixture of the milks. Look at this. Once everything is incorporated, all the Jell-O has been covered with the creaminess. Now you're ready to add the strawberries. I'm adding the strawberries. I'm going to incorporate it really good. Remember to reserve some strawberries so you could add them for decoration. Of course, when you see a dessert and it's decorated really nicely, that's when you decide, let me make this dessert. It looks amazing. The presentation needs to be perfect. Well, guess what? I am going to decorate my cup with heavy whipping cream right on the top, and I'm going to lay a strawberry on the top. I can't wait to enjoy. My mouth is watering, and let me show you. Look how delicious and creamy this looks. Every time you get a spoon of the mixture, you get pieces of strawberries, pieces of Jell-O, and of course, nice and thick and creamy texture. And here I'm going to just add heavy whipping cream on the top, and I'm going to decorate it with a strawberry. I hope, my friends, you make this delicious dessert for Mother's Day. Enjoy it with your family. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy, and I can't wait to see my mother enjoying this amazing dessert. Look at this. If I could make it, you could make it too. I'll see you in just a little bit. Enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with these fresas con crema. This dessert I made today, it's for my mother. Yes, Mother's Day is here. I want to treat my mother with her amazing recipe. She showed it to me many years ago, and now I am making it for her on this special day. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. And now this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. The flavor of the strawberry and the strawberry extract, amazing. Truly a perfect dessert for Mother's Day. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious dessert at home. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye.